How's it going? Worked on the Deadcat today. I would have liked to have filmed everything that I did to it, the actual process of it, but it's 19 degrees out in my shop, so this is just the overview of what I did. I put it's just a piece of fiberglass I got from the top of my flight controller, the top plate. It's I kind of rounded it out, cut it out a little bit, and to be able to put my antenna on there. I moved my OLED from over here to here, and I gotta say one thing. It's a neat little feature, but it's really not practical. I looked into the source code today, pulled up some hex files, and the information that it displays is just not really that useful. I was kind of hoping to get something towards like the one at the end of my flight when I land, I'd be able to get some information from there, without using the goggles. But I'm going to be attempting to write some code for it, and maybe we can bring this back to life in iNav. If you watched my previous video, I show you what it displays before you arm. But when you do arm, it just says iNav and it says armed across it. It doesn't really say anything else when you land. Of course, when you're flying around, it's not going to show anything, but there wasn't anything when you land. You just get the same information that you got from when you started. This is a port here, because I added something that is pretty neat. This is a DF robot. Basically, it's a little micro Arduino, and I have that. I wrote some code for it today to let me add power to it, to a simple strobe. This is a 1 watt Creed LED. There's a high output. I have a 5 watt waiting for that to come. So I'll be replacing that with a 5 watt. This does have 5 volt pin outs, and neat little thing. It's only like what was it, 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters, or like 2.2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Nifty little thing. Right here, where the OLED screen used to be, I'm going to be putting a 3 watt red LED star, just like the one on the bottom, but it's going to be a 3 watt. And on the other side will be a green one. I took all my WS2812s off. They were on the bottom. I don't think I've ever shown that to you guys, but they were on the bottom of the arms. They all came off today. I'm probably going to get the ones that mount from underneath on the bottom, but they're probably just going to be they're not going to be addressable, I don't think. Right here, I decided to I got to make a mount, 3D printed mount, but I want to put a strip right here. It'll be curved, a strip of 4, and they'll be curved with the contour of that. I did order my my sonar and the LiDAR. That will be mounted right here. This is a standoff I added today for the to help with the LED. But that's about what I have for today. Get this unplugged here. I am replacing the receiver. I haven't decided on what I want to go with yet, but I've been looking at new radios, and I think I might go with the jumper, or what is it's also called? I think it's also called, or it might be different. I really didn't completely look into it yet. I just kind of skimmed around on it. But was it the Radio Master? I think Radio Master or Jumper. They think they're the same, just rebranded. And then once I do that, then I'll go with the R9 for the long range, and I'll probably mount the antennas right here, and probably one over here or what. These will be gone. I think that's about it for today. I'm really pleased to how this antenna mount came out. Real pleased with how that came out. It does have some give though. So, but I'll be replacing this with a black one, a taller one as well. I don't remember how high this one is offhand, but it looks about 3-4 inches, maybe 3 inches. We'll just find out. Yeah, 2.5. 2.5 inches. But I'll be getting a taller one. This is the first I've tried this brand, and I was quite happy with it. Lollipop. All they had was red at the time. I wanted a blue one to match all my blue. All right, have a good night.